For Cat 3 environments, we recommend a digital multimeter in the 110 series. The Fluke 113 offers the possibility to perform basic measurements and connection tests in a fast and easy way. Its V-check function lets you test voltage and continuity at the same time. The Fluke 114 has a low Z feature that helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. The Fluke 115 includes current measurement. The Fluke 116 was developed for troubleshooting heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. This meter has a microamps feature to detect problems with flame sensors and also offers a built-in thermometer. The Fluke 117 has a non-contact voltage detector, so you can get the job done faster.